Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth or your birth date on TikTok. So very quickly, let's go to TikTok right here and then go to profile. Click on the three or the hamburger icon right here. Select settings and privacy and then go to scroll down and go to report a problem. From here, what you want to do is scroll down again and click on report. Actually, scroll up from here and then we want to click on account and profile and then click on editing profile. From here, click other and then type in need more help and then type in I want to change my birth date or birthday. Like so. Once you press that, TikTok will be sending you a way to edit your date of birth. And that's about it. Just press on this and now you can edit your birth date. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.